Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic, why the US is slapping the highest tariffs in almost 100 years. And no, it's not just to make your gadgets, cars, and groceries more expensive. There's a bigger story here, and by the end of this video, you'll understand what's really going on. Quick recap. The government has slapped extra tariffs on imports from multiple countries, aimed at protecting jobs and boosting domestic manufacturing. These tariffs are charged as a percentage of the product's import value. Here are the numbers. Canada, 35%. Japan, 15%. South Korea, 15%. Vietnam, 20%. And China, around 30%. That one's temporary while negotiations are still ongoing. So what do those numbers actually mean? A 30% tariff means an extra 30% tacked on to the import price, and that cost often gets passed straight to consumers. Here's a simple example. An artificial Christmas tree imported from China. Wholesale price when it lands in port, $50. Add a 30% tariff, that's $15 more, making the import cost $65. By the time it hits retail, if the store passes that on, a $100 tree could jump to $115, about a 15% hike. High tariffs hit in three main ways. 1. Imports simply cost more. 2. Supply chains. Manufacturers may shift factories around, which raises short-term costs. 3. Retaliation. Other countries strike back with tariffs on U.S. goods, hurting American exports. Reality check. Some retailers only pass along part of the cost. Others scramble to source elsewhere. But in the short run, it's shoppers who feel the impact. Bottom line, the highest tariffs in nearly a century aren't just a statistic. They shape where companies make things, how supply chains move, and what price you pay at checkout. Is this a bold move to strengthen U.S. industry, or just economic turbulence? Only time will tell.